York and New Jersey mourning the death of an ER doctor who stopped breathing suddenly yesterday. His symptoms all consistent with coronavirus. News 4's Chris Glorioso is live at East Orange Regional Hospital. This is one of two facilities where Chris, he dedicated his life to serving the sick.
This is really a gut punch because this ER doctor not only served patients, he also spent much of his career counseling other nurses and doctors about managing stress in the ER. And just 2 weeks ago, he was here at East Orange Regional on the front lines battling coronavirus with everyone else. And then yesterday, he lost his own battle.
When we go to see a new patient and we connect with them, automatically we feel what they are feeling.
Dr. Frank Gabrin loved healing patients, and he loved healing the healers. He wrote a book about how physicians can manage the stress and anxiety of emergency room work. And one of his last social media posts was about tolerance, kindness, empathy, and compassion, and how they can be the most powerful drugs in a pandemic.
He was preparing people to be able to face this tragedy, which they had literally gone into healthcare for.
Deborah Lyons was one of Dr. Gabrin's closest friends. She says last week he was upbeat about his COVID diagnosis because it might offer him immunity going forward so he could treat more patients. But Tuesday morning, Gabrin's breathing became labored and suddenly stopped.
It happened so suddenly. I really believe we need to care for our healthcare workers better, because he was okay on Monday night. I mean, he was sick. He was not feeling good, but he could breathe. He woke up Tuesday morning, and within 2 hours, he was gone.
Gabrin's husband told News 4 he was too devastated to speak on camera, but he wrote this heartbreaking message on Facebook. "I cry like a child who does not know what to do for your loss. You are and will be my hero who fought in a battle that everyone is fighting now, coronavirus."
Compassion is the holy grail in our ability to overcome the empathetic overload and professional burnout that we're all currently experiencing.
Dr. Frank Gabrin not only worked here at East Orange Regional, he also worked at St. John's Episcopal Hospital in Queens. He did report, according to his friend, not having the proper protective gear about 2 weeks ago. But when we reached out to both of these two hospitals, they say they are fully stocked with protective gear. We're going to have more on that coming up at 6. For now, reporting live in East Orange, Chris Glorioso, News 4, New York.